Hi everyone and Happy New Year 2023. And yeah, this is the first video that I do in this year, and I just want to show you all what I'm busy at. Yeah, I'm busy to crochet and all this cushion cover, and I do all this because I have so many yarn I found in my craft room, so I use it to crochet for all this cushion cover. Look at this, everything here, and I make the flower for this one, and also inside this one is same with this, but this you can see the ruffle, and later I show you. And another one, this one also. And actually all this is the old cushion cover. I just crochet this and sew on the old. All is the old cushion cover, so I just use the old cushion cover to make over. Recycle. So all this, and I even crochet this beautiful flower from my big teddy bear, and also make her like this. So yeah, this is what I did at the moment. Oh yeah, I will show you some more. And yes, I crochet all this, cover my box, and this is, you can see it is matched with my cushion cover, and make this two here, and also I make the big size one because I put all this in my my living room, so I just want to make it pretty to display here. So I even put this one to make the hole, put the crochet hole. So yeah, this is what I did at the moment, and I will come back and show you again some more project that I making busy at the moment here. Okay, this is my project. I will show you all soon, and hope everyone stay safe and be happy and in the new year, and everything will getting good, and hope everyone keep well, and bye bye.